The early years really are the most crucial time to support children and families. So the Early Risers program really helps families to know how their children are doing, what they need, and what supports are available.
Ages 3 to 5 are a critical time to be able to identify a child's strengths and their stretches so that we know where to support them as they're growing and developing, and we know how to best advocate for them.
The LDS mission is to transform lives and empower students through education, and Early Risers really does just that.
What makes Early Risers truly unique and an exceptional learning experience is that we've been able to bring together a group of experts, including speech and language pathologists, occupational therapists, kindergarten teachers, and early childhood educators to give parents a really holistic view of their child's development. And together with parent workshops and reporting at the end of the program, parents are really set up for success for how to best advocate for their child going into kindergarten and beyond.
It's engaging, supportive, and meaningful for children and families and allows them to learn more about their child and how to support them as they grow.
I think the most important thing that Early Risers gives the children is an opportunity to build confidence in a huge range of skills, whether that's literacy, numeracy, fine motor skills, or social skills. We have it all. Also, we've been able to incorporate leading-edge assistive technology specifically for children aged 3 to 5. This includes our socially assistive robot that we have found significantly enhances children's engagement and enhances their learning.
I've been involved in early childhood education for over 15 years, and I've never had the opportunity to work in a program that I feel is this responsive to family needs, is this inclusive, and is this accessible to families.
We're very excited now that we know how successful it is to be growing the program in multitudes over the next several years. So we want to be serving hundreds, if not thousands, of children throughout the region.
It is a really special program. The growth we've seen in our students is just quite exceptional.
My favorite part of Early Risers is seeing all the smiles and the looks of pride and achievement, and knowing there is space for every child to feel proud of themselves and feel like they've achieved something.